What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
Alright folks, Paulie here, and this video is about this cooker that can be used to smoke meats, and it belongs to my stepdaughter Crystal. She says she bought it for like $45, and I think she ordered it online, I'm not sure. But she asked me if I wanted to try it when I got there, and I did. It's about 93 degrees outside, and we decided to do a pulled pork with a pork shoulder. And here's the story. Alright, here in Ohio at daughter's house, Crystal's, and this is an Orion Cooker. We're going to do a pulled pork. We got a pork shoulder. She made the rub and I just added some salt and pepper. But it's pretty cool. I'll never use this thing, this kind of thing, and it's going to be fun. So here it is. It's in operation right now. I do have the meat stick in there, and we'll get a reading on that here shortly. I'll probably have to do another charcoal chimney at some point. This is going to take about 8 hours. So right now, the outdoor temperature here in Ohio is going up to about 93 degrees. I don't know exactly what it is right now, but the ambient temperature, according to the meat stick, this thing is about 267. So I took some of the coals out, put it back into the charcoal chimney, and I have not taken a look at this pork cook, but I'm sure it's looking good. Now I was using a meat stick, but I think I failed the meat stick because I don't think I charged it long enough, and it cut out. Kept saying it was disconnected. I wish it would say battery was out. I don't know, the battery indicator was good, so I don't know what it was. Maybe it was because it was enclosed in that cooker. I don't know. Alright, we're about 3 hours into this cook using the Orion, or Orion, I call it Orion. I think stepdaughter, she says Orion smoker cooker. Never seen one of these. I'm using it now. Temperature control is a matter of just how much charcoal you put in there, and then I guess if it gets too hot, you just remove the lid for a little bit and then you close it back down. That's what I've been doing. I actually spooned out some of the charcoal. Now I think the family was starting to get a little impatient with me, and they didn't realize how long it takes to smoke meats, and in the end I did have to cut it short, but it still turned out great. The cooker is not sitting level, so you see some of that moisture coming out of the sides. Don't know if that's really a thing or concern. So now this cook is over. This thing, it works. It'll do the job. Temperature control is a matter of it's all a matter of lifting the lid or just removing some coals, and that'll be it. It works, so pretty cool, very affordable. The Orion or the Orion Cooker. One negative thing I would have to say about the smoker is it uses a lot of charcoal if you want to do a nice, decent sized cut of meat. If you want to just smoke some chicken parts, pieces, whatever, it's fine. But if you want to do a big cut of meat, you're going to use a lot of charcoal. I think I used 1 1/4 full bags of charcoal. You know, the big Kingsford charcoal bags that you would buy at like Costco or Sam's Club. Alright, that just about sums it up for this video. The pulled pork sandwich was great. Stepdaughter made some coleslaw that was amazing. And I love that sandwich. Until next time, I'm Paulie. Never trust a skinny cook.